ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। We saw the Mangalacharanam and 1 number Tippani. So I saw that Pashyata iti is given in Bade Maharajji's copy. Pashyata iti, so we can take it as Pashyataha, Jivasya. That Jiva, of that Jiva, Purnasya Jivasya Purnam Adaya, means by removing the Upadhi Amsha, Purnameva Vashishyate. Okay, now in the Anand Giriji's Tika there is a shloka. So I will chant, you follow after me. That is Anand Giriji's Mangalacharanam now. Yenatmana parenesha व्याप्तं विश्वमशेषतः सोऽहं देहद्वयी साक्षी वर्जितो देहतद्गुणैः
येनात्मना परेणेषा व्याप्तं विश्वमशेषतः सोऽहं देहद्वयी साक्षी वर्जितो देहतद्गुणैः।
This is Anand Giriji doing Mangalacharanam. In this shloka, he has used some pointers of Ishavasya, that is given in 2nd, 3rd and 4th Tippani. Yena Atmana Parena Isha. Atmana is Tritiya Vibhakti, Parena Tritiya, Isha Tritiya. Parena Isha Atmana अशेषम अशेषतः विश्वम व्याप्तम. अशेषतः means without leaving anything behind. Entire Vishwam, the world, creation, Vyaptam, Vishwam, Vividham, Shvayati iti Vishwam. In Vishnu Sahasranama, Bhagavan's first name is Vishwam. Vishwam Vishnur Vashatkaro. So Vishwam is also Bhagavan's name. Vishwam Vyaptam. Vishwam means Jagat here. Shvayati. Vividham Shvayati iti Vishwam. Shvayati. Shvayati means it pulsates. Pulsating in various, expressing in various ways. This is from Shankar Bhashya only. Shankar Bhashya on Vishnu Sahasranama. So that Atma, Ishvara, Paramatma, all are Samanadhikarana. Atmana Parena Isha. Samanadhikarana is there in all. By that, this Asheshatah Vishwam Vyaptam, Soham, that Atma I am, that Para I am, that Isha I am. So here Isha is not Ishvara, here Isha is Brahma. In Ishavasyam, Ishavasyam, that Isha, Isha means Brahma. Soham, that I am. Dehadvayi Sakshi means Dehadvayasya Sakshi Ahamasmi. And Deha Tadgunaihi Varjitaha. I am actually devoid of Deha and Deha Guna means Deha Dharma. I am neither body nor I have any dharma of body. So between Atma, which is who I am, and Deha, really there is no sambandha. Between Atma and Deha Dharma, there is no sambandha. So that's why Atma Anatma is only Adhyasa. And Atma Anatma Dharma, Atma Dharma Anatma Dharma is also Adhyasa. Yushmad Asmad and Yushmad Asmad Dharma. Between them there is Adhyasa because of Satya Andrita Mithuni Karanam. Real and unreal. They appear to have become together, but really they are separate. So, Anand Giriji says, I am Sakshi of the two Shariras, Dehadvaya, and devoid of any dharma of either of these Deha. Not only Sthula, also Sukshma. Sukshma Sharira dharmas are Sukha, Dukha, Raga, Dvesha, Kama, Krodha, Vikshepadi, Sankalpa, Vikalpa. I am free from all of them. They happen in mind. That mind is mithya. I have understood. I am Satya Atma. Atma Satyanubodhena na sankalpayate yada. Then tadayati amanastam tadayati grahya bhave tadagraham. So this Atma I am, Dehadvaya I am not, Dehadvaya Dharma I am not, I am their Sakshi. This is the Mangalacharanam. Second number Tippani you see. Isha ityadi Upanishadi Vidya Prakarana Pratipadyam Tattvam eva Parama Mangala Rupam Smaran Nibadnati Yena iti. In this Upanishad, Isha Ityadi Upanishadi, Upanishad is the Shabda, Upanishad is in that Upanishad, Vidya Prakarana Pratipadyam Tattvam. Vidya Prakarana Pratipadya Tattva means what? First just understand. Ishavasya Upanishad belongs to which Veda? I want answer from some new student, not those who have studied. Those who have studied, I will ask other questions, not these. Those who are new students, from them. Only new students. Sadhna Amma, you are new? No. When I say, I will ask you particular question. Amita, what was your answer? Shukla Yajurveda. Good. In Shukla Yajurveda, which two shakhas are there in which Ishavasya comes? New students.
Madhyandini Shaka.
Very good. Kanva Shaka and Madhyandini Shaka. Of which, on which Shaka this Bhashya is there by Shankaracharya ji? Some other student?
Madhyandini Shaka.
Kanva Shaka. Here I got the answer from my room. Kanva Shaka, correct. So on Kanva Shaka, Bhashyakar has written Bhashya. The mantras which are given just before this page in our book, they are Madhyandini Shaka, but Bhashya is on Kanva. In that, first 8 mantras are Vidya Prakarana. So here that Shabda is there, Vidya Prakarana Pratipadyam. So first 8 mantras are talking about Jnana, Vidya Prakarana. After that, some Karma Upasana, Prarthana, such topics are also there. So Vidya Prakarana Pratipadyam Tattvameva Parama Mangala Rupam. This is Parama Mangala Rupam. Smaran Nibadnati. Nibadnati means he is connecting with this shloka. Okay? He remembers that Jnana portion of Ishavasya. So while I am writing a shloka on Ishavasya, I already have Ishavasya in my mind. And in particular, what is revealed by those Ishavasya mantra. Then I write the shloka. That is what he says. Because what is revealed by the Upanishad is Parama Mangala Rupam, is the most auspicious. See, now we study Upanishads here, there, so we tend to make it little lighter. Actually, Upanishad mantras are great revelations. And to get the opportunity to study is also a great fortune. And to think of Upanishad throughout the day is a Parama Mangala. That is the Mangalam. Yena iti. Adya mantroktasya Isha Atma Bhinnatvam Yasmin Sarvani Bhutani Atmaiva Bhut Ityataha Avagatam Atmana Isha iti Samanadhikaranyena Uktam. Adya mantra Ukta, in the first mantra it is said Ishavasyam Idam Sarvam. So that Isha is what? Atma Abhinnatvam. Ishasya Atma Abhinnatvam. Means that Ishvara is not different from Atma. That Ishvara is not Ishvara who is Sagun Brahma. Here Isha means Brahma, Nirgun Brahma, Atma, Atma Abhinnatvam. What is that Atma? Yasmin Sarvani Bhutani Atmaiva Bhut. Sadhnam, complete the mantra.
अस्मै सर्वाणि भूतानि आत्मैव विजानत ततः कोशकतो मोहः
तत्र को शोकः तत्र को शोकः को मोहः तत्र को शोकः को मोहः एकत्वम् अनुपश्यत तत्र कः शोकः को मोहः एकत्वम् अनुपश्यत. That is the mantra. So Atma is this Ishvara in whom entire Jagat is. Tatra ko moha kashokaha ekatvam anupashyatah. So all the bhutas are in that. Yasmin sarvani bhutani Atma eva. All are one with Atma. Iti ataha avagatam Atmana Isha iti Atmana Isha iti Samanadhikaranyena Uktam. So Samanadhikaranya is there between Atma and Isha. So that shloka says Yena Atmana Parena Isha. That is Samanadhikarana. Then Tasmin Napo Matarishva Dadhati. This is another mantra. any one of the, any student, what is this mantra? Tasmin napo matarishva dadhati saparyagat chukram. Without seeing you have to answer. Akayam avranam asnaviram. Correct. So in that it is said, this Atma Tattva tasmin apo matarishva dadhati ityadina ayatam asya paratvam parena iti uktam. Because he actually distributes the karma phala to all, including Hiranyagarbha. Starting from Hiranyagarbha, everybody is given the duty and everybody is given the powers by Bhagavan. That is that mantra. When we come, we will see. That is the 8th mantra. Yasmin Sarvani Bhutani is 7th mantra. व्याप्तम इत्यादि ही आद्य मंत्र पूर्वार्धार्थस्यैव संक्षेपः. That vyaptam is Ishavasyam. So Vasyam means Achadaniyam, means Vyaptam. That is connected to the first mantra. So you can see, Tippanikar is writing Tippani as if the person already has studied entire Ishavasya and knows what is written here, right? Because all these 7th mantra, 8th mantra, what is first mantra, everything is already assumed that at least the teacher knows, Acharya, who is going to teach. If a student just reads this, then they will not know what is all this, tasmin napo matarishva dadhati, etc. So generally tikas are written at different levels. One is Balabodhini kind of tika. It is more of a teaching for very, very basic students. And some tikas are there, they are Vidwan Manoranjan. For wise people, it is a joy. Already people who know a lot, then selectively they can teach. Tasyeva vivakshito artho yena vyaptam soham. So in brief, if you want to understand what is said, that by which the world is pervaded, that is me. So now this is the main teaching of the Upanishad. That by which the world is pervaded means that in which world is really not there. It is not that like this room is there. This room is pervaded by air. So objects are there, room has walls and air pervades it, space pervades it. So there are two entities. Room is there, air is separate. It's not like that. That world is there, Atma is there, Atma pervades the world. When it is said Atma pervades the world, means Atma alone is. Like in a rope, when by mistake we see a snake, then if some expression is used, rope actually pervades the snake, means really speaking there is no snake. That snake is only in appearance. येन व्याप्तं सोहम इति वक्ष्यति हि स्वयं सर्वात्मकः ईश्वरो अस्मि इति. I am सर्वात्मक ईश्वरः means Paramatma, Brahma iti ज्ञातव्यम एष तत्वोपदेश छांदोग्ये तत्वमसि इति वत् इत्यर्थः. Just as in Chandogya Upanishad, the teaching is given Tattvam Asi, means you are that reality. Like that here, this Mangalacharanam says, I am this Isha, that which is pervading the world. Or Ishavasya says, I am that all pervading reality in this way. So it is just like a महावाक्य उपदेश है. कवित्वादिना उक्तम सर्वद्रष्टृत्वम देहद्वय साक्षी इति संक्षिप्तम. And in that 8th mantra it is also said Kavir Manishi Paribhu Swayambhu. So that Kavi Shabda is there. Kavitwadina, by those Shabdas, Sarvadrashtritvam, the one who is the Kavi means Krantadarshi. Kavi means Krantadarshi, the one who is a seer. Kavi here doesn't mean poet. Kavi is all knower, all illuminator. Dehadvayi Sakshi, the one who is the Sakshi of the Dehadvaya. Iti Sankshiptam. Means he is Sakshi of all, but these two. If I understand I am Sakshi of my own Sthula Sharira and Sukshma Sharira, that is more than enough. I am Sakshi of whole Brahmanda and what is happening in Indraloka and all. I don't have to be Sakshi of all of that. You just become Sakshi of your own mind. Don't identify with your mind. Whatever mind says, you don't have to do. This is what is required is only this much. Otherwise, I am Sakshi of Himalaya and Gangaji and so many things. That is there, that doesn't affect. Akayam ityadi pratipadyam dehadi rahityam. And then it is said, Akayam avranam asnaviragam shuddham. So that Akayam is also in 8th mantra. In that, Dehadi Rahityam is given, that is explained here as Deha Tadgunaihi Varjitaha. I am devoid of Deha and the Dharma. Guna means Dharma of those Shariras. 3rd number Tippani says, so Dehadi Rahityam Chaturtha Charanena Sangrahitam iti Dhyayam. In this way, Dhyayam means it should be kept in mind in this way. Dhyayam literally means in this way you should do dhyanam. It is the Vishaya of dhyanam. Means here our attention is brought that why these words are used in this shloka. This shloka is not some random shloka unconnected with the 8 mantras of Ishavasya. This is very much connecting lot of dots of the 8 mantras of Ishavasya. This Mangalacharanam shloka. That is the objective. Third Tippani says Dehadvayi. So somebody says in Tattvabodha, I have studied that there are 3 Shariras. How do you say there are only 2? If I am Sakshi of 2 Shariras, then what about the 3rd Sharira? Because I am Sthula Sukshma Karana Sharira Sakshi, I am supposed to be. So Tippanikar says, Niravarnasya eva atra vivarana adhikara iti dhvanayitum dvayi ityuktam anyatha trayi ityasyat trayi iti syat. Iti dhyayam. niravarnasya, if somebody has karana sharira means avidya. If avidya is still there, then that person does not have vivarana adhikara, means he doesn't have a right to write a commentary. Doesn't have adhikara to write commentary. Vivarana adhikara na asti. Kasya asti? Niravarnasya eva. Person whose ignorance is gone. Obviously, ignorant person, if he will write commentary, then what will he write? He will express his ignorance. So, what should happen is, Jnani should write. So, he will express Jnana. Niravarnasya eva atra vivarana adhika. Vivarana means exposition. To indicate this, iti dhvanayitum, dvai iti uktam, deha dvai. Anyatha trai iti syat. Otherwise, it would have been deha trai sakshi. Iti dhyayam. Karana bhave api. So then somebody says, oh, Karana Sharira is not there. Then how Karya is there? If Karana is not there, then Sthula Sharir, Sukshma Sharir also should go. So he says, Karana bhave api, Karyavasthanam tu danda viyoge api samavai karana nashad. Api karyanasham abhyupagacchatam samavai karana nashe api kshanam karyavasthitivat iti va anurupa nirdarshanoktihi iti dhyayam. That what is in bracket we will see later. First just see the other part. Karana bhave api karyavasthanam tu danda viyoge api kinchit kalam chakra bramivat aviruddham prakrite prarabdhasyaiva vegasthani. He gives the example that if there is a wheel and to rotate the wheel you need a stick, danda. Then you can rotate the chakra, or you turn on the switch for the fan, full speed it is running, then you turn it off. Now electricity is not going to the fan, but the momentum was there in the fan, so it keeps running, then it slows down and then it stops. Like that, even if Karana is gone, cause for the running of the fan was electricity is gone, still it keeps rotating. So, danda viyogapi kinchit kalam chakra bramivat. Chakra brahmanam continues like that, and that is aviruddham. There is no contradiction. So, even if in the absence of karana, karya can continue for some time. In the same way, prakrite prarabdhasyaiva vegasthanigatvad. Here also, prarabdha is the vega. Once that momentum is there in the form of prarabdha karma, even if avidya is gone, for some time this person's body is going to continue, dhyani. Then slowly it will go away. And what is given in the bracket that we have seen recently in Tarka Sangraha. Samavai karana nashadapi karya nasham abhyupagacchatam. Samavai karanam means upadana karanam. Samvai karana nasha, even if it takes place, karya nasha should take place. Karya nasham abhyupagacchatam. Abhyupagacchatam means svikurvatam. Those who are accepting that if karana nasha is there, karya nasha should happen. Like tantu nashe, pata nasha. When the threads are destroyed, then the cloth should go. Samvai karana nashe api kshanam karya avasthiti. But in their siddhanta, they say for one moment, even when karana is gone, karya continues. Iti va, in this way, we also have a similar explanation that if ajnanam is gone, still the sthula and sukshma sharira can continue. 4 number tippani, nanu कार्य सत्वे कारणाभावो अकिंचितकरः. If karya is there, then karana abhava is not relevant. Iti ataha, it is varjita. So actually it is free from karya also. Because if karana is not there, then karya also should not be there. So it says it appears, but really I am not karya also. Means I am not sthula sharira, sukshma sharira. Other Ajnani people think, oh, he is a jnani, oh, she is a jnani, oh, they are still happy, unhappy, whatever. They say, I am not Deha, I am not he, I am not she also. I am Brahma in this way. That is that Tippani 4 number. So with this shloka is complete. Vastutas tadvarjitasyapi tat sakshitve swapna drashta nirdeshayitavya. It is like swapna drashta, like how I am witnessing my own dream. Now let us see the Tika. So now you know how the progress will be. First we will read Tika, then when the Pratika comes, then we will go to Bhashya. ईशावास्यम इत्यादि मंत्रान व्याचिख्यासुर भगवान भाष्यकारस तेषां कर्मशेषत्व शंकां तावत व्युदस्यति. In these ईशावास्य मंत्र, भगवान भाष्यकार is व्याचिख्यासुः. व्याचिख्यासुः व्याख्यातुम इच्छुः. व्याचिख्यासुः वी आंग पूर्वक चिख्यासा means ख्यातुम इच्छा, means व्याख्यातुम इच्छा. Person who wants to comment. Why he wanted to comment? Because people did not have clear idea about what is the role of these mantras or Upanishads. In them, tesham karma sheshatvam, tesham kesham मंत्राणाम मंत्राणाम ईशावास्यादि मंत्राणाम कर्मशेषत्व शंका. कर्मशेषत्व शंका इज देयर. So there are long tippanis. If I just go on doing tippanis, then you will lose the grip of the mantras and the bhashya, you know. So karma sheshatva means somebody thinks Ishavasya mantras are also supposed to be connected with some karma. Just like the 39th chapter of Mantra Bhaga, 38th chapter of Mantra Bhaga, 37th chapter, they all mantras were to be connected with some karma. Like that, 40th chapter also of this Mantra Bhaga should be connected to karma. That is called karma sheshatvam. Karmanaha sheshatvam. Now before we proceed, we will just read Bhashya, first line. Today is Ekadashi. Bhagavan, today is Dev Uthi Ekadashi. Ishavasyam ityadayo mantraha karmasu aviniyuktaha tesham akarmasheshasya atmano yathatmya prakashakatvat. ईशावास्यम इत्यादयो मंत्राः कर्मसु अविनियुक्ताः तेषाम अकर्मशेषस्य आत्मनो याथात्म्य प्रकाशकत्वात्. In this there is anumanam. What is the paksha? So those who are studying this and not those who have not studied Tarka Sangraha, don't worry. Just whatever terms come, you have to write down the notes and the recording is kept in the group after, so you will have to do some homework, listen to that recording again. Okay. ईशावास्यम इत्यादयो मंत्राः, दिस इज पक्ष. कर्मसु अविनियुक्ताः, दिस इज साध्य. तेषाम् आत्मनो याथात्म्य प्रकाशकत्वात्, दिस इज हेतु. आत्मनो याथात्म्य प्रकाशकत्वात् तेषाम्. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांतिः. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.